Alrighty guys, happy day 2 of March Madness. This is me just picking up my vlogging camera from Best Buy. I did go ahead and order that online because they didn't have it in the store the other day. Bag is secured and now time for the unboxing. I actually did this at work, so I'm only using one hand because I had to hold the camera. But those were just some unnecessary papers that y'all know about. I didn't even know that it came with the wind protector, so that's good. Charger, and then Lord behold, the camera itself. But later on, playing around with this camera, I did notice that it was touchscreen. The screen you could actually flip, like not out, but like turn it, I guess. I don't know, I'll have to show y'all in a later clip. But the last thing in the box was the battery. It came dead. That irritated me. So now we are gonna unbox the, what is that, the stand? I did go ahead and cop the Sony camera stand as well, simply because I like the aesthetic. It is Bluetooth, so you hook up to the camera and you can use it as a control. And yes guys, this is my vlogging equipment. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you for watching.